Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your iPhone model and iOS version so you know which workaround will work. Next, install a remote Android or Cloud APK client on the iPhone. This lets you access Play Store content indirectly. Once done, sign into your Google account and enable two-factor authentication to protect access. Make sure to allow necessary permissions for the client app so it can stream or proxy Android apps. This establishes the secure bridge you need to reach Play Store apps. You now open the remote Android or cloud client and authenticate with Google inside that environment. This is how you reach the Play Store. From the remote Android interface, search and select the app you want, then install it inside the virtual or remote session. Once installed, configure app permissions and sign-ins within the remote Android system so the app behaves correctly. Make sure to test basic features in session. If the app needs hardware access, verify the client maps those iPhone capabilities properly. Finish by streaming or mirroring the installed Android app to your iPhone screen so you can use it like a native app. Once running, optimize latency and responsiveness by adjusting network, VPN, and client performance settings. Lower resolution or enable hardware acceleration if available. If the app still misbehaves, make sure permissions are correct and re-authenticate Google. Troubleshooting tip. If apps fail to install or run, verify your remote client version and network stability. Switch networks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.